Hi, and welcome to Albert's Voice Chef. I'm Albert, your chef. So we're going to make oatmeal milk. Easy, no sugar, nothing else, just the oats, ice cubes, and the water, and to make delicious cold milk. Okay? And we're going to use old-fashioned oats, 100% whole grain. Yeah, this comes from Walmart. I'm not promoting them. This is what I use. Okay, let's get going. So we'll need ice cubes, okay, and purified water, and the oats I showed you. For those of you who like to measure, I just dump what I need. Take a fourth of a cup, which would be those overseas 60 milliliters, okay, into a blender. That's all you really need. You don't need any more. If you want to add a little more, all right, you can add a little bit more. We're going to add the cubes. You want to add 4 cubes. You can add 5 cubes if you want. We'll do purified water. Let's cover up the ice cubes. We're going to blend it. Now, you can have it in your favorite mug, or you can have it in a glass. I'm going to show you in the glass so you can see what it looks like. That's all. That's all. It's so easy. You don't need to add no sugar. You want to make it chocolate, you just add chocolate to that in the blender and blend it. Bon appetit. Now you don't have to strain it. You want the fiber. That's what helps. You want fiber in your body. This is delicious. You don't need no sugar. That's what you're trying to get away from the sugar and the chemicals. And this had oats, purified water, and ice cubes. It's purified too. I have my own machine here. That's it. You get your calcium, your potassium, and your fiber.